explorers! Welcome to our out-of-this-world quiz all about the planets in our solar system. Get ready to blast off with true or false questions. Can you guess them all right? Let's dive in!
Is the Sun the largest planet in our solar system? Oh no, that's false! Because the Sun is not a planet, it's a star. It's the biggest star in our solar system. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. That's true! Jupiter is the biggest planet, so huge it's called a gas giant. It's even bigger than Earth's. Mars is called the red planet because it's covered in chocolate syrup. That's false! Mars is called the red planet because of its reddish dust, made of iron oxide or rust. No chocolate syrup here. Mercury is the coldest planet because it's closest to the Sun. Oh, that's false. Mercury is actually super hot because it's the closest planet to the Sun, with temperatures up to 800 degrees Fahrenheit. Saturn is famous for its beautiful rings. Yes, it's true. Saturn's rings are made of ice, dust, and rocks, and they make it one of the prettiest planets. Uranus is known as the red giant. Oops, that's false. Uranus is actually a blue-green planet because of methane gas in its atmosphere. It's called an ice giant, not a red giant. Venus is the hottest planet in our solar system. That's true! Venus is the hottest planet, with temperatures hot enough to melt metal. Earth is the only planet with liquid water on its surface. Awesome! That's true! Earth is super special because it has liquid water, which makes life possible for us. Neptune is the windiest planet in our solar system. That's true! Neptune has super strong winds, some blowing faster than 1,200 miles per hour. Saturn's rings are solid, rocky structures. Oops, that's false. Saturn's famous rings are not solid at all. They are made up of countless pieces of ice, rock, and dust. Neptune is the farthest planet from the Sun. That's true! Neptune holds the title of the farthest known planet from the Sun. It takes about 165 Earth years to complete one full orbit around the Sun. Earth is the third planet from the Sun. That's true! Earth is the third planet from the Sun, located between Venus and Mars. A day on Venus is longer than a year on Venus. That's true! Venus rotates very slowly on its axis, making its day longer than its year.
All planets in our solar system have moons. Oops! That's false! The planets Mercury and Venus have no moons orbiting them. The Sun is the biggest star in the entire universe. Oops! That's false! While the Sun is huge compared to Earth, it is a medium-sized star. There are many stars much bigger and brighter than our Sun. Pluto is still considered one of the 9 main planets in the solar system. Oops! That's false! In 2006, Pluto was reclassified as a dwarf planet. There are now 8 official planets in our solar system. The force of gravity from the Sun keeps all the planets in orbit. That's true! The sun's gravity is what holds all the planets, asteroids, and comets in a stable orbit around it. It's the glue of our solar system.
Saturn is the only planet in the solar system with rings. Oops, that's false! While Saturn has the most prominent rings, Jupiter, Uranus, and Neptune also have rings, but they are much fainter and harder to see. The hottest planet in our solar system is Mercury. Oops, that's false! Even though Mercury is the closest to the Sun, Venus is actually the hottest planet. It has a thick atmosphere that traps heat like a blanket, making it hotter than Mercury. The Earth rotates from west to east. That's true! The Earth spins on its axis from west to east, which is why the Sun appears to rise in the east and set in the west. The Earth's moon is the largest moon in our solar system. Oops, that's false! Jupiter's moon Ganymede is the largest moon in the solar system. It is even bigger than the planet Mercury. All the planets in our solar system orbit the Sun in the same direction. That's true! All 8 planets in our solar system orbit the Sun in a counterclockwise direction when viewed from above the Sun's north pole. Jupiter is the fastest spinning planet in our solar system. That's true! A day on Jupiter is only about 10 hours long. It spins so fast that it causes a bulge at its equator. Neptune is the coldest planet in the solar system. That's true! As the planet farthest from the Sun, Neptune receives the least amount of sunlight and is the coldest planet in our solar system. Earth is the only planet with water. Oops, that's false! Because other planets and moons have water in different forms, like ice. For example, there's a lot of water ice at the poles of Mars.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel Smarty Learners Show.